How to watch Faceit demo CS2. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can watch Faceit demo CS2. So for that, first of all, you need to open your Faceit app from your desktop, or you can also log into your Faceit account from your web browser. And after logging in, you can see here the VS option. You just have to click on here, and the matches should appear here. And since I have no matches yet, so there is nothing showing here. So after that, you can just locate and download the uh, GOTV replay demo. You may need to extract the downloaded .zip or .ral file, and after that you have to locate the demo file. The demo file will have a name like this or something similar. If you are unsure of the file name, you can find it by browsing local files or CS2 or navigating to the demo folder. And after that, you have to launch CS2 and open the console using the key you have assigned to it. And after that, you have to type play demo and then your gaming name, and then with the actual name of your demo file, and press enter. And if your demo file is not in the default CS2 folder, you will need to specify the full path to the file in the command. And once the demo is loaded, open the demo UI by typing demo UI in the console and press enter. And you can also use the shortcut shift plus F2 to open the demo controls. And that's it. That's how you watch Faceit demo on CS2, the Faceit replays. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.